Diecast with you, and we're going to do the Silver Series Hot Wheels Vintage 1968 Club. The Vintage Club 1968, there's some pretty cool cars in here. There are the ones that are in it. A couple, I don't want to say fantasy, but they're not, they're based on something. So let's get them two out of the way. This So Fast looks like an old hot rod. Pretty cool looking. Card art is amazing on them. Make them look like they're in that old barn. Well, let's just get a few of them cracked open here. Check them out. See what they're all about. Now with the Silver Series, you will get some that are on metal bases. People are saying they're the Chase. I don't believe that. This is the one that's the metal base in this one. It is the Hot Wheels So Fast. There's your information. But she's pretty cool looking. Looks like it's got a little rust on them. Been sitting in that barn for a while. Now that one is number 2 of the set. And let's see, we've got number 3 of the set coming here, which is the Mod Rod. So a hopped up car there, so to speak. Let's just check her out. Maybe you had a few spare parts and you decided to build like a rat rod kind of thing. I guess is what that represents here. And it is pretty sharp. I like the patina look on this one. You got that cover so you can see right down inside the driver's seat. Got your little trunk strapped to the back of the car. Yeah. Look at the engine. Looks like maybe three deuces there. Pretty sharp. This is on the plastic base. And there is the copyright date for it. It was 2019. Indonesia. That car is number 3 of the set. We're going to get in there and look at the actual cars from the set. A very cool one. How about a 71 Porsche 911? Now see, I think they needed to make that a 68 Porsche. But what the heck. I guess with all the patina look, maybe it was bought and found in the barn later. I don't know. If they're going to say it's vintage 68, by golly, they should be vintage cars. That's, for that particular year. But nonetheless, there it is. Got the patina look, the garage dirt, the barn dirt, what have you, all over it. The blue metallic, still shining through all that dirt. And of course, it is release date 2017, copyright date, and it is a 71. That's all right. That was car number 4 of the set. So we'll put him up there. And then, here we go again. So there is the 65 Mustang 2+2. Now I know they've got 68s out there, but they decided to go with the 65. Which at least makes a little more sense than the 71, since it's a 68 club. That's going to be on my mind all day. Tell me what you think about that. Leave a comment down below. But I think they did a pretty good job on the Mustang. Looks like some rot going on there everywhere. Top's pretty clean, but you got some rough edges around the fenders and all. Yep. Pretty sharp looking little car. With all the dirt and grime and patina and the rust. There she is, 65 Mustang Fastback, 2007 copyright date. Another Indonesian car, and that was car number 1 for the set. All right. Last but not least, how about the classic Volkswagen Bug? And however you say that at the bottom. But the little Bug, they made billions of these, put them out all over the place. Pop her out the blister here, and I like that. Got the shiny paint still on it. Nice up front look. And see, here is another metal base car. 2016 release. It is the classic Bug. Some detailing there underneath. I know everybody said, oh, that Pontiac's got the metal base, it's a chase. I don't buy that. They randomly put them in there. I haven't read anywhere where any of these are chases. So if you have something that says that the metal bases are chases, please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Or at least post where it says that they're chases. Because if it is, I've got several chases. Silver Series will randomly put metal bases on some of their cars. Not chases. All the other Hot Wheels sets, if it's got a chase, well, they're marked 0 of their sets, or they're different colors. Never seen anything that says a metal base in the Silver Series is a chase. But you let me know if you have. Anyway, guys, there is the 5 cars from the Vintage Club. Appreciate you tuning in. Hope you're having a great weekend. And we'll catch you on the next one. Big Elvis. Take care of each other out there.